Okay, one more quick little video. This is just to recap the experiment we did today about conduction of a hot metal in cold water or cold metal in hot water. So to just quickly review, we talked about that being called conduction. Conduction is when two things touch and then the energy is going to flow from a high concentration of energy to a low concentration of energy. It's a lot like if you had a ramp. In your ramp situation, if I have a high part of the ramp, that'd be up here, and a low part of the ramp up here, and I put something there, let's say energy, and I just let it go, it's going to go down. It's going to go from a high concentration to a low concentration automatically. It doesn't really matter how much energy, a big marker or a small marker, but it's going to go from a high to a low concentration. Energy does the same thing. When two things touch, whichever one is the hottest will give some of its energy to the cold one. It's called conduction. Convection is when you have currents in the air, in the water, that also go from a high concentration to a low concentration. Now in convection you have another interesting property where typically things that are hot or have a lot of energy, they're far apart, they're like a gas, they're going to go high. Things with a low amount of energy, like a solid, are going to be nice and tight together, they're going to be dense and they're going to go low. Radiation we didn't really talk a lot about, but there's three types of heat transfer and radiation is one of them. It's a lot like waves traveling along. The sun